progress this week. Right now we're doing the electrical work. We're starting right now. But last week we had these beams, the 3 beams installed. So this one is going flush against the wall. So was that one. We had these 2 beams. This one is extending out 2 feet. And the support of that beam are going flush to the wall. We also did a framing for the guest bathroom. And we had to remove this wall so that we could fit in the pocket wall. And here, the master bathroom, we also extended that area here. We moved the wall to the back and moved the window. Here we're gonna have the pocket door, shower enclosure, vanity, and sink. And this is how it looks, the new wall from the outside of the master bathroom. We brought it all the way up to the trim. We used as much original siding as we could, and we brought new matching siding for the longer pieces. So this week we're working on the electrical roof. We want to do some plumbing and AC roof as well. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.